instead of these cats are annoying. Ayan. Get out, my sight, you little dog. So, I am husky. Bisexual teen artist po ngayon. What the? Oh. Let me guess. Just wait. Ayusin mo yan. Not me. Do it. Do it yourself. Nilaglag niyan. Yeps. This is my... Ito po yung aking mga kasama doon sa choir. Sorry, walang altar. Oh. Sorry, it's not my fault. It's your fault na. Not paniced. Not paniced. Ito po yung altar ng Lady of Sorrows. And then, ito yung...
Natutulog! Yung pusa.
Okay. Okay. Mas maganda to kaysa sa akin. Good moral thing, shish. Don't you dare ruin my stuff. I'm gonna make it as a celebratory room, kid. Well, did you see I'm recording because I'm touring? Oops. Sorry. Got real talk. Emotional damage. Anyway, I have a short announcement. Why won't you stop talking, kid? Are you rude? Are you weird or something? Are you weird or something? Don't touch the cat. I hope this so. Just fix your grammar, kiddo. Hello. I'm sorry, di ko na-turn dito. Well. What? Well. Bye-bye. Bye.